Hey everyone, it's Belle from Barbie Hospital. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fixing up all these beautiful little Kelly dolls. If you watched my haul video, you would know that I got these Kelly dolls on eBay in a bit of a bidding war, and I ended up paying $61 for a lot of 13 of them. So I'm going to be cleaning them and taking you through their grooming process today. Unfortunately, that little girl had a bit of a chew, and I think I found one other doll with a chew. So let's get started. So they've all had a wash. They've been washed in detergent and warm water and scrubbed where there was any dirt. They all came up really well. This is Dentist Barbie and her little Kelly from 1997. So I'm giving her a bit of a wash as well because she was in the box for 23 years. And her elastic bands had actually worn out. So they're soaking in boiling hot water there, all of them. And their hair, when it came out, was so soft and detangled. A few of them were still quite knotty, so I had to use a little bit of softener on there just to finish getting out all the knots and make it a bit easier. But overall, they're all really smooth and came up really beautiful. So I'm really pleased. This doll had a plait or something in her style, I'd say. So I ended up adding one back in. I'll show you at the end. And I think this was like an evening Kelly or something. See how she had those strands of hair? Basically, I just fixed all their little fringes to the front because a lot of them were pushed back or messy and fluffy. So I decided to wash all their little clothes as well because they had a bit of a musty smell. So just in the same detergent and water mix. And here are all the girls ready to dry overnight. And here they are in the morning. So they're all nice and dry, and you can see how well hair came out. It's really beautiful and smooth, and it just brushes through so easy. So now I'm going to style all their hair and dress them all in some cute little outfits. Enjoy! So here's all the cute little Kellys all dressed up. I really hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more like it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!